my neighbor's daughter or son, I don't know which one, they usually have this screaming fight before showering in the evening, and then comes the concert. I'm doomed. Hi and welcome to another Free.volous webisode. It's the end of the day. I've been working the whole day, then I went shopping. I'm knackered, but I'm here to bring you the March Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing that I just picked up from the mail. So I haven't opened this one. Usually sometimes I just browse through to see if I need to leave any part of my face free to try out something on the spot, but right now I don't know what's going on in here because I just got home, and this month's box says, I am fantastic, you are fantastic, we are fantastic, aren't we all? Oh, holy crap. Okay, I see good things in here. So let's start reading. The first thing in the box is the Kimono foot mask. Pamper your feet this month with the deep conditioning treatment featuring dual layer technology. This sock-like mask contains shea butter and olive oil to soften hardened skin and add much needed moisture. That's nice. I'm going to try it out. I like kimono masks. We've received one before and it was really nice. I'm really curious to try those that make your feet peel off. That would be really interesting. But in the meantime, we have here, and that's why I said holy crap, Omoravica Balancing Moisturizer. From the Hungarian brand, this moisturizer leaves skin feeling supple and balanced whilst minimizing pores and brightening complexion. Formulated to create a light cooling gel cream, this fantastic moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration. It is perfect for oily or combination skin and works well under makeup as a primer. Apply liberally, yada yada yada. Use on cheeks, chin and nose prior to the application of highlighter. The product contains ruby crystals, which helps diffuse light, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, also giving you an instant glow. So this Balance Your Skin is more directed at those of us with normal and combo skin, but at the same time, it adds a bit of a glow. And it's a really, really generous size. I had a small, one of these sizes of the mist, which was really nice. Too expensive for me. And I predict this is expensive. So I got a sample of perfume at Sephora and I tried it. So everything smells like that darned perfume. Yeah, but this has a slight scent, but it's not invasive. And it feels really light and airy on the skin. Yeah, it has that cream to gel kind of formula. I'm curious to try this out. This is a very, very good, very prestigious brand and a very generous sample. I'm really curious. So, well done, Look Fantastic. Well done. Now, next we have the Renew Advanced Anti-Aging Flash Relax Mask 30 mils. Okay, this has 30 mils. They say that. Good, because usually when I'm looking for the prices, I'm just like this. It's more like this because I can't see. But anyway, say hello to bright, smooth skin with this fabulous mask that contains vitamin C and B5 to enhance your skin's radiance. A wonderful multitasker, this mask will also intensively hydrate your skin to keep it feeling soft, making it ideal for dry or mature skin. Leave for 10 minutes, then for best results, remove with lukewarm water using a damp cotton wool pad or sponge. Okay. Tips: use this mask the day before a big event or night out to really pamper and leave your skin glowing and ready to go. Love me some vitamin C. This does contain a bit of perfume, which is not unheard of course, and it does not have, or I'm not reading right, but I don't think this has silicones, which is a great thing. So really excited to try this one too. Love me some masks, you know, and this vitamin C is really good to make your skin sort of renew itself. It's really good for hyperpigmentation, to freshen up the skin, you know, bring back some glow. Products like enzymes and vitamin C are really good for resurfacing the skin. Next we have the Skin Chemist Rose Quartz, is it this? Yeah. Rose Quartz Lip Plump. This lip plump is bursting with active ingredients that will instantly plump and nourish, leaving you with hydrated and fuller lips. Blended with vitamin E, this must-have product soothes and protects against skin damage. Not to mention that the peppermint oil helps to plump whilst also leaving a divine scent. And here it is. It's a clear pinky gloss, but it won't have any color. The only lip plumper that I really love is the Dior one. If this is more affordable and if it does the same kind of thing, this would be amazeballs. Remove what I already had. I had a lip gloss with a few glitter specks from Essence. And the glitter is stuck to my lips. So let's try this one, because we can do this in this. Oh, nothing coming out. It comes out almost dry. It's really weird. It feels like the stopper is really tight and there's not much product coming out, or the doe foot doesn't absorb product. Let me just try something. Okay, there we go. It feels really minty. The doe foot doesn't pick up a lot of product. It smells of mint. It's intense in terms of scent, and the feeling is really fresh on the lips. Right now it's not tingling, but it feels really fresh on the lips, and yeah, it's more intense than the Dior one in terms of feeling. Bless you. It's not sticky or stringy, you know, but it stays on the lips. It's not slippery. It's a nice texture, I think. Everything smells of mint right now. We'll let it sit here and you will tell me if this looks more plumped. Next we have the Style London Oval Face Brush. This brush is ideal for blending and contouring your favorite foundation, concealer, blush and powder. It's easy to grip and designed to be flexible, adapting to the shape of your face to give your makeup an even and flawless finish. Slightly dampen the brush if blending a liquid-based product for a smoother finish. Didn't know that. It's a small one. It's plastic. I have one of these. I bought this at Primark. This is Primark's own brand. And I stopped using it for just... It was starting to get dirty too quickly, and I looked at this and I thought, I'm not going to be able to clean this thoroughly. So despite loving the finish of these brushes when applying product with them on my face, I'm a little bit weirded out by how thick and densely packed the bristles are, and I'm really curious to see if I can wash this in a way that I approve of at the end. This one is a sharper, rounded shape, while this is a bit more flat. So I'm curious to see how this works on my face. I'll use this, I'll wash it and use it. Last thing in the box is Freematic Eyeshadow Duo. Duo? It's 2 eyeshadows? Oh, it is! They're a bit smaller than they appear in the photo. Let me just show you. It's a little box here, and these are the 2 eyeshadows. I'm not complaining, I just found it funny because this is nice. And I think they are magnetized at the bottom, so nice. Douce or Dukes, I don't know. Freematic Eyeshadow Duo in 78 Kate and 81 Tenley. Tenley, I love the name, Tenley. We guarantee that these gorgeous shimmer eyeshadow shades will add an instant sparkle to your look. Highly pigmented and customizable, the shimmer texture and versatility of the Kate and Tenley shades will complement all skin tones. Enjoy effortless application, also with rich, creamy and weightless texture, making them super easy to blend without smudging or creasing. Apply the eyeshadows dry for a more natural finish or wet for a long-lasting and dramatic look. So you can use them wet, which is good to know. Do they? Yes! They do stick to magnetized palettes. Nice, nifty, nice, nifty. They are both basically neutral browns with shimmer. It feels quite nice. The Tenley one, despite looking like it has specks of glitter, when you pick it up with your fingers, it's not, the glitter is not coming out. It looks like sort of a satin finish instead of matte, but it's not shimmery. The other one, Kate, yeah, it's more shimmery. It's a bit more metallic. Can I lower the light to make you, I think you can see it here. Yeah. So let's play with them, shall we? Let's take a brush. I'm going to take the darker one, the fluffy brush. I already have eyeliner on because, you know, life. It's a really beautiful neutral brown, I would say. Is this a speck of glitter that came from the eyeshadow? It's a really beautiful brown, actually. It's quite neutral. It's not too warm, too orangey, and it's going on really smoothly. I didn't have too much work with it, and it's basically blended. And I didn't have to dip too much, so enjoying. Next is Kate with a flat shader brush, and I'm applying it to the center of the lid. Yes, it is a bit more glittery, and it is a warmer, slightly warmer and lighter color, and it's a bit more shiny, but it's not that highlightery, you know. Yeah, with a brush it doesn't look that amazing. Let's try with my fingers. It's one of those that slightly emphasizes, let me show you, slightly emphasizes the texture on my lids, which is something I struggle with because I'm that person. But it looks pretty. It's not that reflective, I would say. Last test, dampening the brush. Have some product on there. Oh, a lot better. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks a lot better with the dampened brush. There are certain shimmery shades that when applied dry, they look chalky on the eyes, and it looks a bit more glossy, I would say. I haven't done the math to see what's the overall value of this month's box, but all in all, I'm very, very happy with what I got. My lips, do they look plumper? I don't know. They still feel slightly fresh and minty, but it didn't hurt at any stage, or I would have complained. I don't know about the plumpness though. It feels something, but it doesn't look like they are any different, does it? But anyway, very interested in the moisturizer, the mask, the brush, 2 eyeshadows, the lip plumper, the foot mask. I mean, this was a very, very generous box. Well done, look fantastic. Let's see how I get along with the products, but I'll let you know next month. Now, let's talk about last month's products. The Filorga Mezzo Mask. It is nice. I only used it a couple of times. I haven't had a lot of time to mask, to be honest, but I used it a couple of times. I didn't notice that, you know, when you remove the mask, you see a difference. And I haven't noticed that with this. I don't know if this is one of those that creates more of an effect on your skin after a few uses, but it's nice. Right off the bat, I wouldn't buy the full size, but I'm happy to have this one. Next is the Quarterly Vino Source Serum. I have been using this almost every single day. It doesn't have a fragrance, but it disappears quite quickly, so yeah. It is a very nice serum, very lightweight, sinks into the skin, really feels plumping. And because it's been raining here in Portugal, I've been taking advantage of everything hyaluronic acid because it draws the moisture from the air around you. So if it's really dry, it's not going to do anything, and it may even worsen your condition. But when it's really damp outside and it's been raining a lot, I've been just smothering my face with hyaluronic, and this is one of the things that I've been using layered with other stuff, and I find this to be really nice. It's just, I wouldn't say this is calming if you are prone to irritation with perfume, because it does have a bit too much of perfume for my liking. Next was Dr. Pawpaw Original Multi-Purpose Clear Balm. This feels like Vaseline. The main ingredient in here is Vaseline. It doesn't do a lot. It creates that barrier, but if my lips are bad, they won't get better, you know? And that's what I find with Vaseline-based products. It didn't create any irritation or anything. It's just a simple Vaseline product for your lips. I prefer lanolin, personally. Next was the Bella Pierre Shimmer Roll in Champagne. I must confess that my loneliness is bringing me down. That I haven't used this again. This was just falling down on my face, and you need a glitter primer to use this. And I didn't grab it, but I'll keep it, and if I see that I'm not using it, I'll pass it on, because it's not a bad product. You just need a little bit of prep beforehand. Next was the Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Pear Lip Scrub, and this was really nice. It smells really good of pear and sugar. Did you hear that? I'm so sorry. I don't live in a posh neighborhood. This is a sugar scrub, so it's really nice to massage onto your lips and remove dead skin cells. I like sugar scrubs. I love Popcorn from Lush. And this is another one that is really nice. The downside is that it's sugar, but you can't eat it. It worked. It's not too aggressive or abrasive on the lips. I would prefer it to have slightly smaller pieces of sugar in it, but all in all, it was really nice. My lips have been really well taken care of, also thanks to this, so nice. Last is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. You saw me testing this in last month's video, and you saw my reaction to it, and I really tried, because this is a lot of people rave about the Elemis range, and especially about this cream, so I really tried, but I couldn't. After a few days trying to apply this in the morning, I was done with it. It's too intense of a scent for me. 90% of cosmetics have perfume in them, either to disguise any weird smelling ingredient or to just appeal to your sense of smell, like they put silicones to make it feel good, although it's not an active that is doing anything for you, and if the silicone wasn't there, it wouldn't change anything, but it feels better and more luxurious on your skin. This is the same thing, but for your sense of smell. And I'm okay with that, as long as it's not overpowering. And I know that they can put buffers in it to counteract the dryness that potentially perfumes can bring and the irritation. But for me, it's not needed. If it smells good to me, I will like it anyway. If it works, I couldn't tell if this works, because the scent of this is so overpowering. It lasted for ages. It was too much, and it's an intense, perfumey scent. It smells expensive, but not the expensive I would like to wear, and it's overpowering. So this may have all the good things in it, but I can't apply it to my face. It's just too much for me. Automatic migraine. I don't have migraines. Headache. Stop being a diva. But yeah, that's it. These were my impressions on last month's box, also the unboxing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As usual, my requests are, if you have, leave me a thumbs up down below. If you're new here, hi, please do subscribe, check out my other videos, stick around, and talk to me in the comments below. Let's share knowledge. Let me know if you've had good or bad reactions and experiences with the products I mentioned today. Let's all share the knowledge, and yeah, thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Is it me? Or did it do something? Very soft, but did it?